Hi, this is Jenny Walker from DigiGoods and Printables ELA. Welcome to Section 8 of my Argumentative Essay Writing Workshop, Building the Introductory Paragraph. If you've stumbled upon this video from YouTube, you can find a link for this workshop in the description. Okay, I have some great news. You've already done all of the work for this section, and now all you have to do is put it together and shape it up. Let's do a quick recap about what goes in the introductory paragraph. First of all, you'll have a hook, which is a sentence or two that captivates your audience. Then your background information, which gives details about the topic, and it's important. This is to familiarize your audience with your topic. And then a counterclaim, if you are putting it here, which will acknowledge and refute your opponent's claim. And then, most importantly, the thesis statement, which tells precisely what will be discussed in the essay and usually in this order. Go ahead and pause this video and take a minute and watch the video on writing an introductory paragraph. The next slide, approximately slide 61, is optional. In fact, you may not even see this slide if your teacher has decided to remove it. This is just a little outline to use if you need extra help structuring your paragraph. You can collect the pieces that you wrote and add them in the text boxes so that you can be sure you're putting everything in the correct order. Or you can skip this slide, which is approximately slide 62, and just go ahead and add your information here in paragraph form. Let's take a look at how to quickly do this. First of all, we're going to be looking for the gold stars. So we're going to scroll back up and we're going to go into the hook section and look for the slide in the hook section that has a gold star. And let's just scroll. You can't see what I'm doing, but I'm scrolling up to the hook section. And once you get there, you will highlight everything here, or just highlight the whole box and hit Control-C, which is copy. Or you can also right-click and select copy. Copy everything from your purple sticky note because that is your hook. And then you're going to scroll back down to the current slide. You'll click into the box and hit Control-V and paste your hook, or right-click and hit Control-C. And then you'll go back up and continue doing this, looking for your background information and your counterclaim, and finally your thesis statement. Just make sure that when you are adding your information that your hook is below what you already pasted so that you don't erase what you already pasted. So it's pretty much that simple. Once you have pasted all of your information into this page, then you're going to need to read it and make sure everything makes sense. You're going to add transition words. And to make your writing more clear, you may need to add, remove, or rearrange words or entire sentences to make everything make sense and flow well. And if you have time, it's a good idea to scroll back up to the sample essay and read the introductory paragraph once again. This is approximately slide 19. Now, once you're done with your introductory paragraph and you've got it just the way you want it, this might be a good time for some peer review. So if your teacher will allow it, you may have a student and a peer in your class read your introductory paragraph, and you could read theirs and give each other some pointers and tips. Or it might be a good place for your teacher to have a look to see how you're progressing. And that concludes this section of your argumentative essay writing workshop. In the next section, we'll begin the process of writing body paragraphs, starting with topic sentences. Once again, if you've stumbled upon this video on YouTube, you can find a link to the workshop in the description. I'm Jenny Walker from DigiGoods and Printables ELA, and I'll see you in the next video.